Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Come on down.
I, your circus ringmaster, now present for you the one, the only, Casey Jr. In a moment, he is going to take the mic.
Casey Jr.'s coming down the track, coming down the track with the smoky stuff. He's the pop and coming round the hill. Casey's here to thrill every jack and Jill. Every time his funny little whistle sound, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade, crack the jack. Casey Jr.'s back, Casey Jr.'s back. Every time his funny little whistle sounds, everybody hurries to the circus grounds. Time for lemonade, crack the jack. Casey Jr.'s back, Casey Jr.'s back.
Now, as we say to the animals, that's the end of the lion. Fantasyland! Fantasyland Station!